Hello everyone! Today, what video we will do? Rain is falling outside. Ganesh Idol is coming. Now we will do the Ganesh Idol. So let's start the video. Okay. Vazrank, we are doing video. Keep this down. So, guys, these are the items to make the idol of the Ganapati. So, this is the base, and these are the circles to make the Ganesh easily. So, this is the body, and this is the face of the Ganesh, and these are the legs of the Ganesh. And these are the arms, and this is the trunk of a Ganesh, and these are the ears, and this is an extra dough to make the filling of a Ganesh. So let's start. So first we need to keep the body first. Then we have to take the two legs and roll it like this. To roll like a cylinder. So this is the leg of the Ganesha. So we need to curve it a little bit like this. And then we need to make it like this. Wait a minute. All are you doing, Acha? So we need to bend it a little bit like this. Okay? And then we need to keep it like this. We have to attach the two legs like this. So we have to make the ants like this. Mine is over. So doing this, we have to attach it like this. We need to press it. So after attaching it like this, we have to keep the head. So like this. So we need to keep this head at the center of this body. So we have kept it. Now we have to keep the trunk. This also we have to make like a cylinder. But there is a difference. We need to make like a curve at the end. So we have to make the trunk like this. And then we have to keep it over here. Like this we need to do. So now we have to make the ears. So we need to press it. We have to make the Ganapati's crown. So we have to take some, and we need to keep it like this. Now we have to make the ants like this, would you? This ant like this, and this one for keeping the laddu. So we have to make these eyes like this, and the trunk we have to make like lines. And now let it dry for some time. This is my Ganapapa. So I have decorated my Ganapapa like this. See? So it's so nice. So we will do puja of the Ganapapa. So let's start the puja of the Ganapapa.
अजं निर्विकल्पं निराकारमेकं निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णम् परं निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजे.
Now I'm keeping the laddus, which Ganapapa likes.
निराकारमेकं निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णम् परं निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहं परब्रह्मरूपम्.
I'm going to keep the rat.
अजं निर्विकल्पं निराकारमेकं निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णम् परं निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजे. अजं निर्विकल्पं
So guys, we wish you happy Ganesh Chaturthi. So we hope you like today's video. So do you like this video? Please like this video, share and subscribe this video.